Welcome to Mathorio. Let's learn math together. Percent word problems come in three main types, each asking you to find a different piece of information. Type 1. Finding the part equals percent times whole. What is 25% of 80? Type 2. Finding the whole equals part percent 15 is 30% of what number? Type 3. Finding the percent equals part whole times 100. What percent of 50 is 12? The key to solving percent problems is identifying which type you're dealing with, then applying the correct formula. Why does this matter? Percent problems appear constantly in everyday life: shopping, calculating discounts, 30% off, and sales tax dining. Figuring out tips at restaurants, 15%, 18%, 20%. Finance, understanding interest rates, loans, and investment. School, converting test scores to percentages. Health, reading nutrition labels, 25% of daily value. Sports, analyzing shooting percentages, win rates, and statistics. Mastering these three problem types gives you a powerful toolkit for handling real-world math. Try this interactive visualization on Mathorio to explore the concept yourself. Pause the video and visit Mathorio.com to practice with our hands-on tools. Example 1. Finding the part store discount. Let's look at: a jacket costs $80. The store offers a 25% discount. How much money do you save? Step 1. Identify the problem type. We need to find 25% of $80. This gives us type 1, finding the part. Step 2. Convert percent to decimal. 25% equals 25 divided by 100 equals 0.25. This gives us 25. Step 3. Multiply to find the part. 25 times 80 equals 20. This gives us 20. Step 4. Write the answer with units. The discount is $20. This gives us, you saved $20. The answer is, you saved $20 on the jacket. Example 2. Finding the whole test score. Let's look at: Maria answered 36 questions correctly, which was 90% of the test. How many questions were on the test? Step 1. Identify the problem type. 36 is 90% of what number? This gives us type 2, finding the whole. Step 2. Set up the equation. 36 equals 0.90 times whole. This gives us part equals percent times whole. Step 3. Solve for the whole. Whole equals 36 divided by 0.90 equals 40. This gives us 40 questions. Step 4. Check the answer. 90 times 40 equals 36. This gives us verified. The answer is, the test had 40 questions total. Let's review the key points. First, three types: finding the part, multiply, finding the whole, divide, finding the percent, divide then multiply by 100. Second, always convert percent to decimal first by dividing by 100, e.g., 25% equals 0.25. Third, part equals percent times whole is the fundamental relationship. Point 4. Identify keywords. Of usually means multiply, is means equals. Point 5. Check your answer by plugging it back into the original problem. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more math lessons, and visit Mathorio.com to practice.